Hi, I'm Brian from Radiate Outdoor Supply, and this is the Radiate Portable Campfire. Take off the lid, you have instructions underneath. Light up our recycled paper briquettes. There we go. Get your lighter to work. You can light up just one of them and the fire will spread, or you can light up a couple to hasten the process. There we go. Now you can cook marshmallows and hot dogs with the Radiate Portable Campfire. Just put your stuff on a stick and hold it over top, hold it over to the side. Just remember that the tin itself gets super hot, so you don't want to be touching it after it's been lit for a while. The best thing about the Radiate Portable Campfire is it's the only campfire that you can stop. You just slide the lid back on, which I'll show you in a little bit, and it'll snuff out your fire. So these briquettes are made out of recycled paper. Our wax is a kosher recycled soy wax. There's no fragrance to it, so if you're roasting marshmallows on it, it's not going to fragrance your marshmallows. The tin itself can be recycled as well, and there you have it. It's lighting up. Okay, so your campfire's going full blast, but it's time to pack up and leave, right? What you got to do to turn your campfire off is you slide the lid on, just like that. You may have a little bit of flame coming out here, but that's just the last bit of the oxygen being used up. Snuffs it right out. Doesn't need to go completely closed on there. The lack of oxygen will put your fire out. Wait a few minutes, and then if you want it to cool down a little bit faster, you can just tap that off, and that'll vent the heat out. And that'll allow your campfire to cool down faster so that you can transport it sooner. It takes about, depending on how long you've burned it for, take up to about 30 to 45 minutes for that to cool down, become solid, and then you can transport it once again. And then you want to relight it, just take your lighter and use a lighter that actually has fuel in it, and it lights back up pretty quickly. Just like that. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy your Radiate Portable Campfire. Thanks for watching.